and I installed it the wrong way. It's really hard to get it in. There are lines where you fold the glove box to get it into the hole, but man, I ripped that cardboard pretty good. We are back in the 1966 Ford Mustang, and it's moments like this where I'm reminded I don't know that much about cars or sheet metal screws. I watched an install video from someone. I can put it in the description. I didn't quite catch the channel name or the person, but they said this would be the glove box insert would be the easiest project you do on your Mustang. It cost you only $10. The video was made like 15 years ago, so inflation, right? Definitely more than $10. I think it was like 25 or 30. Actually, I have the slip. How much was it? This has other stuff. Okay, $25.99 before tax and delivery for a cardboard insert for your glove box. And I installed it the wrong way. It's really hard to get it in. There are lines where you fold the glove box to get it into the hole, but man, I ripped that cardboard pretty good. And then I was wondering why it looked so ugly and my sheet metal screws were popping out. It's because I put them in the wrong way. Okay, you guys will get a kick out of this because I am, and as Miles reminded me, if I don't laugh, I'll cry. So let me show you what I did. Okay, so did I take all the screws out? No. Okay, so there's a screw. You can see I put it over the cardboard insert. Here's where I ripped it. Up here's where I ripped it. And what you're supposed to do is put this on the other side of the metal so that when you put the screw through, it holds itself because of the little metal tab on the other side of the cardboard. I mean, this might be common sense to some, but it wasn't to me. And now I know, and it's a lesson I'll use in the future. This was intended to be the easiest job on the Mustang, and I certainly didn't make it easy on myself, but I think I have figured it out. You can see the sheet metal screw should be at the contact with your metal glove box section, and then the tab on the cardboard will secure the sheet metal screw so that it's pretty sturdy and looks like a real glove box. I did not cut out that opening for the glove box light. I don't know if you're supposed to. I don't know if the light works. The light was going in this direction, and I didn't quite find a way to bend it to poke through like some other glove boxes do, so I'm just going to leave it and call it a day. But finally, after an hour, we have a glove box insert.